Hey everyone, welcome back to CoinCrafts, the place where we turn side hustles into smart money moves. So here's a question for you. Have you ever recommended a product to a friend, only to realize later that you didn't get paid for it? Well, what if I told you that you could start earning real money doing just that with no massive following, no fancy equipment, and no prior experience? Today, I'm sharing how I made over $1,100 using the Amazon Influencer Program. Stick around, because I'll be walking you through how to get approved, set up your storefront, create shoppable videos, and actually earn all from the comfort of your home. Let's kick things off by answering the big question: what exactly is the Amazon Influencer Program? In simple terms, it's a program offered by Amazon that allows creators like you and me to earn commissions by recommending products through a personalized Amazon storefront or shoppable videos. Unlike the Amazon Associates program, which mainly relies on sending people off-site with affiliate links, the influencer program places your videos directly on Amazon's product pages where buyers are already shopping. That means more views, more trust, and more commissions for you. And yes, you can do this without being TikTok famous. Alright, so how do you actually join? Step 1. You need to have a public social media account. That could be Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or even Facebook. Now here's the good news. You don't need tens of thousands of followers. In fact, I was approved with just under 1,000 followers on YouTube. It's more about engagement and authenticity. Go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com/influencers to apply. Use your strongest social media platform. Pro tip: YouTube and Instagram tend to get accepted faster. Once approved, you'll get access to your very own Amazon storefront, where you can curate product lists, post reviews, and upload videos that show up right on product listings. Let's get to the juicy part. How did I make over $1,100? The bulk of my earnings came from shoppable videos. I simply filmed short, honest reviews of products I already owned. No script, no lighting setup, just my phone and natural light. I made themed lists, like work from home essentials or top budget gadgets, and linked those lists in my storefront. During the holiday season, I created top 10 gift ideas and best stocking stuffers videos that performed really well. Now here's the magic: Amazon placed my videos directly on high traffic product pages. If someone watched my clip and bought the item, boom, commission. And don't worry, I didn't use expensive software. I used Sunua to design clean thumbnails, CapCut to edit clips, ChatGPT to help script descriptions, and my phone for filming. Here's a sample breakdown: 10 videos of around 60 seconds each, post over a 3-week span. Earnings began trickling in after the first few days. By the end of month 1, I'd made over $400. Months 2 pushed me over the $1,100 mark. Not bad for reviewing stuff I already had around the house. Now let's talk about what kind of content actually converts. Start with short, straight to the point product reviews. Think of things you already use daily: that coffee maker, your laptop stand, your favorite water bottle. Here are some winning formats. Quick unboxings, first impressions, how I use this every day, versus videos. For example, this blender versus that blender. Top lists my 5 favorite study tools. Keep your videos between 30 to 90 seconds. Say the product name clearly. Hold the product up to the camera and mention one benefit or use case. Simple, authentic, helpful. And guess what? No one cares if your kitchen's messy or your audio isn't perfect. What they want is your honest experience. You've made the videos. Now how do you actually get people to watch them? Here are some free and easy traffic sources. Post short clips on TikTok with your Amazon link in your bio. Repurpose the same content on YouTube Shorts. Upload Reels on Instagram featuring your top picks. Pin thumbnails or mockups on Pinterest that link to your storefront. Remember, you're building digital assets. One good video can earn you money for weeks, even months. Bonus tip: use seasonal trends. In August, post back to school gear. In December, holiday gift ideas. In January, home office setups. Stay ahead of the calendar. Now let's take it up a notch. Once you've got your first 10 videos out, it's time to think long term. Keep uploading weekly. Treat this like a content business. Here's how to grow your earnings. Group your videos into themed lists, like gifts for gamers or self-care essentials. Repurpose videos across platforms. Ask friends or family to test out their own storefronts and share tips. Collaborate with micro-influencers to expand your reach. Optimize thumbnails and titles to match common search terms. And don't forget to check your Amazon Analytics. They'll show you which products and videos are performing best. Let's keep it real. You probably won't earn $10,000 in your first month, and that's okay. But here's what is realistic. In month 1, you could earn between $100 to $300. By month 3, with consistency, you might cross the $1,000 mark. By the end of 1 year, you could hit 5 figures if you treat this seriously. All this from reviewing your daily stuff, filming with your phone, and leveraging Amazon's traffic. And yes, this is passive income. Some of my older videos from 6 months ago still generate clicks and cash. So what have we learned? The Amazon Influencer Program is a game changer. You don't need fancy equipment, a huge following, or even prior experience. All you need is the willingness to share your voice, your favorite products, and a little bit of consistency. From zero to over $1,100, that was my story. Yours could start today. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below and tell me, what's the first product you'll review? And don't forget, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for weekly tips on earning online, using smart tools, and building income streams with zero fluff. This is CoinCrafts, helping you turn creativity into coins. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.